Hey there guys, Lewi 2x4 here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to build a computer desk and chair. So there isn't a lot of parts here, and you won't need a lot to build your desk and your chair. I'm going to start off with one of these small plates here, which is a 1x6 plate. You can use any size, you can make it bigger or smaller. And then I've got two of these panels that I found in my white tub. So I'm just going to stick these here. Actually, they want to go this side, don't they? Because we want less of a footprint wherever we're building. So that's your basic desk shape. And this you can basically just design by yourself. You don't have to follow this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these here. Actually, I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to use one of these little small black tiles. I'm just going to put it there. That's going to be our mouse. Then I'm going to put one here and use this 1x2 tile piece as our keyboard. Slide that over into place. And then we are going to put this tile piece here and this tile piece here. So this is the layout you're going to have. Is going to be a jumper plate here, a 1x2 jumper plate, then another one, then one here and one here, so it's like a Z shape. Then we're going to put a tile piece here and a tile piece here. Now that other spare piece is for the chair. And then to build up the computer part, it's literally, I just took this, it's like a Lego newspaper, but I didn't really have any other printed pieces that I could use for like a screen, so let's just say they're browsing the internet on the local news. So I've got one of these jumper plates here, these square black jumper plates, or whatever colour you want to create your computer in. Put that on top of there, and then that's your screen. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this hinge piece here, and this clip here, attach that like so, and then just attach it to the back of there, and then see that space that we had here. I'm going to attach it there, and then already you can see you've got a basic computer. Now the only reason I left this stud here is because, like in this in my study of my own, I've got a little plant pot sat next to my desk. I've actually got two, but I didn't want to overcrowd it, so I've got that piece there just as a little nod to myself, I think. So that's basically your desk. Now to make the chair was made literally just a couple of pieces that I had lying about. So there's one of these cylinder-ish pieces. That's what you want to call them. Attach one of these black circular pieces to this, like so. Attach these pieces, it's like a bracket. So it's got the studs on the back, and it's got these here. And then what we want to do is we want to attach that there. And then this other stud that we this other plate that we had, this 1x2 tile piece, sorry, literally just sits there like that. And then we'll just push our desk underneath. And that's literally it. That's how simple it is. So stick around for some more videos and take it easy.